All right, good morning. So, in today's session, I would just briefly help you how to use the some of the components that are there in the ladder logic, right? So, I hope you guys have seen the first brief video description, and now you are starting to construct your ladder logic. So, if I go over here to the task one over here, I'm just gonna quickly show you how you can use uh, these building blocks. So over here we have one of the normally open input as memory location of 1002. So I'm just going to use the LD M1002 so that you can have that memory location block, right? The next one is this step trigger input. So for this specific step input, you can use this branch over here, which is F5, which is a step point, and you define it either as 0 or whatever it is. So that's how you can add those step inputs, right? As 0. Then there is edge inputs as well, the upper edge. So you'll probably see these over here, the upside edge or the falling edge, the rising edge. So in the report we have used in the lab, we have used the rising edge. So it's about you just specify the device number with the rising edge. So we have for example x naught will be used as a rising edge, right? In the programming. Then set, I hope set and resets are pretty familiar to you guys now because it's just about set S0 maybe. So yeah, that's how it is. It's a set command at the end. For reset, you'll just have to write reset why not. Anything more important that you will need? Nope, nothing else I would say. And you need to construct this logic, try to run it and just simulate how your outputs are gonna affect as respect to the control purpose explained over here. All right, going ahead to task two. For task two, it's pretty straightforward little logic. The important points would be of counting. So for example, Cn, so LDX1, I'll just give it right that. And for counter K1, what was the C120 first, the number of a counter 12 maybe, and K100. That's how you can establish a counter, specify its name and the value that it has to count, right? And the rest are just the normally open contacts, reset of a counter. So I think that would be pretty good. So let's say LDX3, oops, LDX3 reset C12 counter, right? So the counter that I have made over here is reset with the C12. Just to tell you again, because I think I have typed it quickly, reset C. That's how it will gonna be reset that counter. Okay, so in this part, the task three, the important parameters, again, it's counter reset and all that stuff. But again, it's a specific memory block, which is M1013. So LD M1013 is the block that you will use. Do read about memory location 002, what does it mean in memory location 1013 from the manual, and you'll have a more better understanding. It's already written over here as well because the memory location 1013 is 1 second clock pulse, right? So it will guide you a lot. And about the first one, which was um where M1002, so something would be written over here. If not, just read into the manual. So you have the idea of what does that mean. All right, so these were the three tasks. Now the last four tasks, it's pretty straightforward again. Normally open, normally close. Timers are there. So let's just add a timer T0 with a range of 15, I would say. That's how you can add the timer in the last part. So I hope that would be good and you can make those ladder logics and you can implement those and try to understand what is happening over there. And at the last part, you need to do 4 control tasks that are shown over here. Thank you so much.